Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Canva sprint on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the print section and click to the This will take 5 minutes. In the print section, go to the gifts section next to the marketing, scroll down and click to the Canvas print portrait option next to the photo book option. Here you have more options. If you want to add pictures to your project, just click to the uploads button, and here you can upload images and other files to the Canva, or go to the gallery section and here you can find images and videos from your device. In the element section you can search different graphic elements, for example stickers, charts and more. If you go to the design section you can find the different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer. Just select one and step on it. Here you can edit this template. If you want to change the background color, just click to the white square icon next to the design section and just select another color. If you want to change pictures, just go to the gallery or the uploads button, select a picture and just drag it to the selected frame. If you want to change the text, just click the text box, delete the text and write your text. If you want to change the style of your text, just click to the arrow next to the button text type name, and here you can choose another text style or font type. Select one and step on it. If you want to edit the size of your text, just click to the minus or the plus icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.